Originally launched in June 2015, the Samsung Galaxy Tab E is getting a bit antique now. At around £140, the pill is fantastically pricey for what it offers. The Amazon Hearth HD8, 2017, and Vodafone Clever Tab N8 among others provide better fee for money with similar specifications to the Galaxy Tab E. Nonetheless, it's well worth considering. Measuring 8.5 mm thick, its gently textured plastic chassis is comfortable to keep, and its thin, bodily home button offers it a totally similar layout to Samsung's top give-up smartphones. Looking for an incredible deal on a tablet this Black Friday? Take a look at our select of the nice deals available right now. But, the Galaxy Tab E starts to show its age as quickly as you switch it on. The first sign is in the software program. This tablet continues to be strolling Android 4.4 KitKat, that is now positively historic as compared to the extra present-day Android 6 Marshmallow and Android 7 Nougat operating systems. It hasn't received an update, and nor will it, which does position it at a downside over other drugs. Samsung Galaxy Tab E Evaluate, Display. As a end result, the Tab E seems A82E8A4E17954BKX0423CB2 from the off, and it absolutely isn't helped by way of its low decision of 1,280x800. Stretched across its 9.6 in, 16:9 display, text is visibly grainy and curved icons are jagged, making the Tab E quite tough at the eyes over long periods of time. Of root, we've seen other price range capsules currently with the equal decision maximum substantially the Amazon Fire HD8, but within the case of the Hearth, the one's pixels are spread across a far smaller show, ensuing in a better pixel density, and fractionally more sharpness. The pleasant of the Tab E's screen is not tremendous, either. Our colorimeter showed its handiest able to displaying 60.8% of the sRGB coloration gamut, that is below common, even for a finance's pill, and this means colorations don't look as colorful as they might do. At least it's bright, hitting a height white degree of 409 CD/M2, that is extra than enough for outside use, although perhaps now not in direct, vivid sunlight, and its evaluation ratio of 1,1/2:1 is also first-rate. Samsung Galaxy Tab E Assessment, Overall Performance. This isn't the most recent tablet, so it's possibly unsurprising to locate that its quad-middle 1.3 GHz Spreadtrum SC8830 processor and 1.5 GB of RAM isn't the quickest or maximum cutting-edge processor around. It's sluggish in everyday use. Internet browsing became pretty begin, and to make topics worse it wasn't even like-minded with the Geekbench 4 benchmarks, making it hard to compare it with different current budget pills. It additionally wasn't able to run GFX Bench GL's Manhattan 3 test, which doesn't exactly bode nicely for its overall toughness. If it feels sluggish now, it will feel even worse a year or so down the road. Nevertheless, I was capable of play a reasonably easy game of threes, which proves it's capable of deal with simple games. It additionally coped best with Netflix and BBC iPlayer streaming. Just undergo in mind that the Galaxy Tab E only comes with 8 GB of internal garage, of which 5 GB is to be had to the consumer, so you can also want to invest in a microSD card to make more room on your numerous downloads. Samsung Galaxy Tab E Evaluate, Battery Life. Battery existence was fairly decent, but again, other drugs have controlled better within the past. With the display set to our well-known dimension of 170 CD/M2, the Samsung Galaxy Tab E lasted 8 HRS52 in our continuous video playback check, so it need to have enough stamina to last the better part of a day. However, it nonetheless pales in assessment to the Fire HD8, which lasted an impressive 13 HRS4 under the equal conditions. Samsung Galaxy Tab E Review, Digicam. As for digital camera first rate, nicely, it's as I'd assume from a price range Android pill, that is to say it's now not especially astounding. Whilst the 2-megapixel the front-facing Digicam is just about serviceable for Skype calls and so on, the 5-megapixel sensor at the lower back is poorly geared up to address either indoor or outside pictures, producing blurry, noisy pictures without element and vibrant hues.